Good morning, everybody. This is Mrs. Holtman, and happy Monday. I want to get you guys started off with, we're going to start our first big project today. Okay, so I want to start by asking you guys this question. What is one of the three questions that we answer in this course? And I talked about this day one in here. So just, if you can think about it, what is one of the three questions that we answer? Today, we are going to begin to understand who we are. It's one of those questions that we answer and describe ourselves in a positive way. We're going to make sure we are uplifting and we're thinking positively about ourselves in this project. We're going to also evaluate personal characteristics to develop and refine our personal profile. Why are we doing this? I want to help you better understand who you are so you know who you're going to be in high school and beyond and kind of see where you're going, and to give you a chance to explore PowerPoint and present to this class. So we are going to do a PowerPoint presentation, so what you're going to start working on today, and you will present that presentation to the class. So who I am, let's explore this. What is required? I'm going to give you guys an example of an exceptional finished project. This is one from a few years back. Things have changed just a little bit in our expectations, like what you're including in your presentation, but I do want you to see what this young lady includes in her transitions, in her animations. Really look at how she pulls things together in her project, okay? So this is Abby. You will see her stuff moves. So she's got some pictures on here. Again, you will add a lot of pictures to this, okay? Some of her favorites. You are going to have a favorites page, which we're not doing today, but you will have one. Her values. We're going to do a value assessment, and she's listed her values. These are some of her other values that maybe didn't make the top, but are on her list. This is her personal poem. Okay, you are going to write your personal poem today as one of the three slides that you're going to work on. So it says Abby, passionate, determined, passionate, caring, siblings of Evan and Dane, who likes soccer, music, and movies, who plays or who feels understanding, love, and happy, who needs friendship, perfection, and support, who gives affection, support, and comfort, who fears spiders, the unknown, and failure, who would like to see big cities, starry nights, and a sunrise in the mountain range. This is her plans for high school and beyond. So what she wants to do, graduate with a 4.5 GPA. She wants to go places. She wants to be a part of things bigger than her. So where she wants to go. Her student snapshot, which again is something you're going to do. So you're going to want to find some pictures of yourself. Okay. She talks a little bit about herself in paragraph form, what she's done, what she wants to do. These are her like teachers or support or connections in the school, people she knows she can go to if she has questions. This is her personality profile and her career profile, okay? This is how she was defined, and it helps her identify what careers might be best suited for her. Gives her her top three choices and her bottom three choices. Again, a lot of this may seem a little overwhelming, guys. We're going to do this in chunks. I am not going to ask you to do all of this in one day. Today, we're going to look at the first three slides, and I will break those down for you exactly what you need to do on them. I'm just showing you what the product should look like when you're all done, okay? Okay. So that is her project. Again, you will have a total of 11 slides when we are all finished. Today, we are going to start with the top three. We're going to get our title slide done, our slide number 2, which is our name, 5 words that describe us using word art, 8 pictures. We're going to add animation, and then you're going to write a poem, which is also on Schoology for you with that template layout, okay? You will see this overall is worth 50 points, but there are elements inside of this that are worth more, okay? So you're in a name, there is a link in there that you need to go through and work through the worksheet. You get points for completing that. We're going to do a Holland code. We're going to look at your career exploration here. You're going to do an assignment that goes into that. We're going to do your career clusters. There's an assignment that goes into that. So this may look like only 50 points here, but by the time we are done with all the little assignments that go into this, this ends up being more than a 100-point project, which is a very large grade for this class to start with. So it's a big project and we need to take it seriously, but know that it is fun and should be a good time for you as well to express who you are, okay? So today we're going to start our presentation. Slide 1. It's your name, and then the about your name. Choose your first, middle, last name, or all of them, and then you are going to research the meaning of your name. On Schoology, there is a behind the name activity. You're going to do that also for points. And what you are going to do is go to the website and you are going to look up your name. Now, if your name is a very unique spelling, so mine is Amy, but it's not A-M-Y. I had to use the AMY spelling to find out what my name means, okay? You may have to go, if you have a, they may have a similar or something that's like your name, use that. So we actually have something like similar. If you know what your name means, if it's a family name, use that as your option, okay? But you still need to fill in the worksheet with all of the information possible from this website, okay? Then you want to have a picture on this page from you of you at a young age, okay? Now, don't laugh. This is Mrs. Holtman. When I was in 6th or 7th grade, yes, this is a phone. It is connected to the wall with a cord. It was see-through, which was very cool at the time, all right? And the bangs that I have were on point, all right? Like, they were very, very cool, all right? But Mrs. Holtman, this is my title page. Amy, my first name, it means beloved, okay? So this is what your first page of your presentation could look like, okay? You'll choose a background that fits you. You can make it as creative as you like. Your slide 2 is going to be a collage, and I want this slide to look like it should be fun and exciting to look at. You want to use animations on every picture, and if you need help with animations, please reach out to me. There's an animation button at the top. You click on that and you can add, like, have them fly in or fly out or swivel in or fade. You want to include your name. Describe yourself in 5 words, and you want to use word art to put those on there because that will make them exciting to look at. And you want to use at least 8 pictures, no more than 2 on the same topic. So pick ideas that may be like family, hobbies, interests, goals, pets, favorite vacation spots, things like that, okay? So here is Mrs. Holtman's slide number 2. I'm enthusiastic, creative, hardworking, encouraging. I know you can't see that because my face is in front of it. And trustworthy. And then I have some pictures here. I love Disney. My family, it's my husband and kids. I love my friends. We happen to still be at Disney in those pictures. Please don't judge me. I love to bake and to read, some of my hobbies. And I own a dance studio. See how those came in? They came in at different times, the timing on those, okay? Slide 3 that you're going to work on today is your personal poem. You're going to write a personal poem. There's a template in Schoology for you to follow if you need some assistance. This template will walk you through exactly how to compose your poem, okay? Here's mine. You start with your first name. 3 words that describe you. Sibling or child of, and list who you are related to. I happen to be, have brothers and sisters, 4 of them, okay? Who likes, name 3 things that you like. Who feels, 3 things that you feel. Who needs, 3 things that you need. Who gives, who fears, who would like to see, and then your last name. On all of these, you want to list at least 3 things, okay? That's Mrs. Holtman's right there. Okay, make sure you save it. You do not want to put in all this work and not have it saved, okay? So save your presentation as your last name and WIA, who I am, okay? And then we will pick up with this again the next time we meet, all right? If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And if you do get done and you have extra time, there is a vocab prep. Just shoot me a message and I will get that to you, okay? All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk